Other shocking videos show just how dangerous it can be when a trailer or camper is attached to your vehicle. Each year, hundreds of American motorists lose their lives in crashes involving trailers or campers. The trailer came loose and careened into their car, killing Dad and his daughter Isabel. The trailer hitch was connected with just one chain. You're supposed to have two. The trailer was also missing a safety pin like this.
This is the protection that keeps this latch from popping off when you hit a bump. You have to have two chains. It's really critical. And the key is that you cross them to cradle the hitch in case it becomes undone.
Hello, this is Rondo with Rondo Truck and Trailers. We've got we're going to show you a 2-inch coupler here. We've got a standard A-frame coupler with a trigger style latch. I just wanted to go over some details with it and kind of show you how to use it. I know it seems simple, but we're just going to go ahead and show you hooking one of these up. This is the right way to do it. You got to come in on the coupler, on the ball like this, and latch it, and you can feel, and I can actually feel under here where my finger is, that the latching mechanism is behind the ball, and that's the correct way. And you go ahead and pin it. But let me show you kind of an easy mistake that's been made more than once. That's why we're kind of going over this. If you come in here just a little bit too far forward, that would be the right way. If you come in just a little bit more, and you put it down, you know, it does latch like that, but if you feel it, the ball is actually underneath the latch, so it's not actually latched. And you see it's not latched, but if you're not paying attention, you know, you can make a mistake. So we just want to kind of show you, this is again the wrong way to do it. And that's wrong, and it won't be latched, you can see. So just be careful and make sure you latch these right. You come in, you feel that, and you can see that it's actually under there.